What is up, guys? It is Tyler from Beards Brews, and I have an audio test for you guys coming up right after this. And it's going to be a test between the audio from an open microphone on my Canon 6D Mark II and the brand new Neewer NW-800 that we just got for our Beards Brews studio set. With that being said, the first video you're going to hear is no sound dampening material down in the studio with audio straight through the Canon 6D Mark II. Second one will be with the brand new microphone. The audio from the third video will also be only through the 6D Mark II, but with added sound dampening material. The audio from the fourth and final video will be coming through the Neewer NW-800 microphone, but we'll also have the added sound dampening material that we have just put into our new studio space. So I hope you guys like it. See ya. This is a test of the audio straight through my Canon 6D Mark II. This is a test with the brand new Neewer NW-800 microphone. Alright, this is a new audio test using the built-in microphone on the Canon 6D Mark II. Now we are running with a little bit of sound deadening in the form of moving blankets. Here is an audio test with the Neewer NW-800 microphone plugged into my Canon 6D Mark II with a pop filter and a little bit of sound dampening material.